Hello everybody, good morning. How are you this morning? Okay, now we'll study book 2, unit 7, page 85, conversation. Number 1. Do you know anybody in New York, John? Apakah kamu mengenal seseorang di New York, John? Yes, I do, ya. I know a lot of people in New York. Saya kenal banyak orang di New York. Do you know anybody in Tokyo? Apakah kamu mengenal seseorang di Tokyo? Yes, I know quite a few people in Tokyo. Ya, saya mengenal beberapa orang di Tokyo. Do you know anyone in Paris? Apakah kamu mengenal seseorang di Paris? Yes, I do. I have several friends in Paris. Saya mempunyai beberapa teman di Paris. How old are you, John? Berapa umurmu, John? I'd rather not sell my age. I'd rather not sell my age. Saya lebih suka tidak memberitahu umur saya. Goodbye, John. Selamat tinggal, John. I have to go now. Saya harus pergi sekarang. Goodbye, Bill. See you tomorrow. Sampai jumpa besok. Number 2. What did you go yesterday, Bill? Kemana kamu kemarin, Bill? I went to see a friend of mine. Saya pergi mengunjungi teman saya. Did you see John Smith? Apakah kamu melihat John Smith? Yes, I did. I saw John yesterday afternoon. Saya melihat John kemarin sore. What did you talk about? Apa yang kamu bicarakan? We talk about a lot of things. Kita membicarakan tentang banyak hal. Did you ask John any question? Apakah kamu bertanya pada John beberapa pertanyaan? Yes, I did. Yeah, I asked him a lot of questions. Saya bertanya padanya beberapa pertanyaan. Saya bertanya padanya banyak pertanyaan. What did you ask him? Apa yang kamu tanyakan padanya? I asked him if he knew anybody in New York. Saya bertanya padanya apakah dia mengenal seseorang di New York. Did he say he did? Apa yang dia bilang? Yes, yeah. Then kemudian I asked him if he know anyone in Paris. Apakah dia mengenal seseorang di Paris? And what did he say? Dan apa yang dia katakan? He said he had friends there. Dia bilang dia mempunyai banyak teman di sana. Okay. Did you ask John how old he was? Apakah kamu bertanya pada John berapa umurnya? Yes, yeah. He said he would rather not sell his age. Dia bilang dia lebih suka tidak memberitahu umurnya. Did you say goodbye to him? Apakah kamu berbicara selamat tinggal padanya? Yes, I did. I said I had to go. Saya berkata saya harus pergi. Then I said goodbye. Dan kemudian saya bilang selamat tinggal. Okay, number 3. But where did you go yesterday? Kemana kamu pergi kemarin? Kemarin kamu kemana? Iya, kamu dulu. I went to visit a friend of mine in the hospital. Saya pergi mengunjungi teman saya di rumah sakit. What did you talk about? Apa yang kamu bicarakan? We talk about a lot of different things. Kita membicarakan banyak hal yang berbeda. Did you talk about the weather? Apakah kamu membicarakan tentang cuaca? Yes, we did. Yeah, we talk about the weather and about language. Kita membicarakan tentang cuaca dan bahasa. Bahasanya lebih dari satu ya, soalnya ada jamak di sini. About language. Did your friend ask you any question? Apakah temanmu bertanya padamu beberapa pertanyaan? Yes, he did. Yeah, I answer almost all of her question. Saya menjawab hampir semua pertanyaannya. Did you ask your friend any question? Apakah temanmu berbicara, apakah temanmu mengajukan beberapa pertanyaan? Yes. Did you ask your friend any question? Apakah kamu mengajukan beberapa pertanyaan? Kepada temanmu. Apakah kamu mengajukan beberapa pertanyaan kepada temanmu? Yes, I did. I asked her quite a few questions. Ya, saya bertanya beberapa pertanyaan padanya. This answer of your question. Apakah dia menjawab semua pertanyaanmu? Yes, she did. She answered every single one of my question. Dia menjawab setiap pertanyaan saya. Would you like a cup of coffee, Paul? Apakah kamu suka kopi, Paul? I'd rather have a cup of tea. Saya lebih suka teh, if you don't mind, jika kamu tidak keberatan. Fine, baiklah. By the way, omong-omong, where did you go yesterday? Kemana kamu pergi kemarin? Yesterday, I went to visit a friend of mine. Kemarin saya pergi mengunjungi teman saya. Did you see Mr. and Mrs. Brown yesterday? Apakah kamu melihat Tuan dan Nyonya Brown kemarin? No, I didn't. Tidak. They weren't at the university yesterday. Dia tidak ada di universitas kemarin. Did you see your friend Harry? Apakah kamu melihat temanmu Henry? Yes, Harry and I talk about a lot of different things. Harry dan saya membicarakan banyak hal berbeda. What did you talk about? What did you talk about? Apa yang kamu bicarakan? Well, okay, baik. We talk about the weather. Kita membicarakan tentang cuaca. Did you talk about language? Apakah kamu membicarakan tentang bahasa? Yes, we did. Yeah, I asked him if he spoke Japanese. Saya bertanya padanya apakah dia berbicara bahasa Jepang. What did he say? Apa yang dia katakan? Did he answer your question? Apakah dia menjawab pertanyaanmu? Yes, he said he knew a little Japanese. Yes, he said he knew a little Japanese. Ya, dia bilang dia mengetahui sedikit bahasa Jepang. You asked him if he knew somebody in Tokyo, didn't you? Kamu bertanya padanya apakah dia mengenal seseorang di Tokyo, bukan? Yes, I asked him that question. Ya, saya bertanya padanya pertanyaan itu. He said he did. Dia bilang iya. Okay, thank you for watching. Happy weekend. Have a nice day. And bye-bye.